Welcome back, guys. Johnny here, and I have another exciting video for you today. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Starwood Property Trust. And this company is a 100% buy rating from 7 analysts and has a 12% dividend yield. They've been paying a consecutive 48 cents per share for quite some time now. We're going to go over Robinhood, we're going to go over Yahoo Finance, and we're going to go over a couple of articles I found on this company. And it starts right now. So guys, welcome back to the channel. As you all know, I love REITs, Real Estate Investment Trust. They are amazing. I love them in my portfolio. Most of it is made up of REITs. And because I like them so much, I like to share these videos with you. And for all of you that don't know what a REIT is, it is a real estate investment trust that has to pay out 90% of their earnings to their shareholders in dividends. So that's why I really like these companies. Help me out, guys, and smash that like button. Now, Starwood Property Trust right now is trading at $15.38. 17,000 people on Robinhood own this company, and there's a 100% buy rating from 7 analysts. Now, right now, I own 5 shares of this company, and my total return is 30%. I am up $18 on this company, not counting the $2.50 that I'll be getting in dividends on July 15th. And we'll go over that in just a moment. I'm going to give you some basic information on the company itself. The CEO is Barry Stewart Stimlicht. There's 296 employees. They're headquartered in Connecticut, founded in 2009, and we'll go to the max chart history on the Yahoo Finance in just a moment. They have a market cap of $4 billion, a PE ratio of 12, which I love. I love investing in companies with a low PE ratio. I don't even touch it if it's above 50 for a PE ratio. And they have a dividend yield of 12%. Their average volume is around 5 million, which is just incredible. And as you can see here, they have a 100% buy rating. They have a 0 for hold and a 0 for sell. So this company is just on fire right now. And there's some good news as to why this company is doing so well. Now, as you can see, their earnings per share, it looks like it's hovering around 55 cents per share. And we'll go to the Yahoo Finance to see a little bit better of what is going on. As you can see, April 28th, I bought 1 share for $12.40. And on May 15th, I bought 4 more shares at $11.62. I love averaging down my positions with REITs. They pay great dividends per share, and you get some good appreciation over time. Let's go to marketbeat.com. This is a free site, and I got some information from them. They're saying 4.5 analyst opinion. The consensus rating, Starwood Property Trust has received a rating of buy. The company's average rating score is 3 and is based on 6 buy ratings, no holding ratings, and no sell ratings. Now, what is so interesting about this little article is the price target upside downside. According to analysts, consensus price targets at $19.25. Starwood Property Trust has a potential of going up 25% from its current price right now of $15. Also, the amount analyst coverage. Starwood Property Trust has been the subject of 6 research reports in the past 90 days, demonstrating strong analyst interest in this stock. Now, let's talk a little bit about some of the more statistics here on Starwood Property Trust using Yahoo Finance. Now, as you can see, Starwood Property Trust Inc., or ticker symbol STWD, is at a share price right now of $15.37. And their market cap is the $4 billion, so Robinhood is correct on that. Their PE ratio is right around 11.71, Earnings per share is at 1.31. And as you can see, also, it's showing a forward dividend of $1.92 per year and a dividend yield of 12.76%. Now, the ex-dividend date is on the 29th of June, so if you want to get this company, you should probably buy it now. This video is releasing today on the 26th, so you have a few days to buy some shares. Now, the payout will be on July 15th, and we'll get into the dividends in just a second. Now, as you can see on their maximum chart on Yahoo Finance, August 1st, 2009, they had a share price of $15.95. Their share price has only been below this price 3 times. Once at the beginning of those early years, once toward the middle of, it looks like, maybe 2010, and now during this crisis we're having through the nation and the world. So it is a great opportunity to buy at this moment. It looks like it's been hovering around a $20 mark for some time, and like again, analysts said that it'll probably be around a $19.25 per share. Now, why is this company doing so great? Well, they just recently were awarded a 7th consecutive NAR REIT Gold Investors Care Award. Now, this is pretty significant for the company. This award recognizes communications and reporting excellence for the mortgage REIT category. For the 7th consecutive year, Starwood Property Trust is the only commercial mortgage REIT to earn this prestigious honor. The award will be presented as part of REIT Week, or NAREIT's 2020 Investor Conference, to be held in a virtual format between June 2nd and 4th, 2020. So this has already happened. They've already received the award, and it's just amazing that this company is doing so well. So now, to your guys' probably reason for watching this video is that 12% dividend yield. Now, I also found another article stating that Starwood Property Trust announces 48 cents per share dividend for the second quarter of 2020, which is pretty amazing because it is a leading diversified finance company with a core focus on real estate and infrastructure sectors. An affiliate of global private investments firm Starwood Capital Group, the company has successfully deployed over $63 billion of capital since inception in 2009 and manages a portfolio of over $17 billion across debt and equity investments. Starwood Property Trust Investments' objective is to generate attractive and stable returns for shareholders primarily through dividends, by leveraging a premier global organization to identify and execute on the best risk-adjusted returning investments across its target assets. Now, that is pretty amazing, guys. What an awesome company to get involved with. A great dividend yield, a great share price right now, and it's only going to go up in appreciation, but also pay you over time 48 cents per share in dividends. So let's talk about dividend history. As you can see on the chart, they will be paying that 48 cents on July 15th. The record date will be on the 30th of June, but the ex-dividend date, or the time you need to get in, would be before 6/29, and that's why I'm releasing this video. This video is a strong buy because it has a great track history of producing dividends consecutively. As you can see here, they've been paying 48 cents per share for some time now, and it is a quarterly paying dividend. And it looks like this chart goes all the way back to 2013, which they've been paying 46 cents for the first couple of months in 2013, and then in 2014 it jumped to 48 cents a quarter. Now, this company has been paying out 48 cents per share for the last 6 years. That's pretty consecutive in my book. Has a great share price. And again, this company is just a really good company to get involved with. So, if you like this video and you want to buy some shares of Starwood Property Trust, go ahead and smash that like button for me. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and helps for other people just like you who are investors and want to find this company. So if they don't know about it, then they won't be able to invest in it and get these great dividends over time. So it's up to you to smash that like button and really help me out with this video. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I try to keep it short and sweet, but also provide you with a lot of quality information and producing facts that you guys can see. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click that little bell so you can get all the notifications when I create new videos. I'm going to try to make videos at least every single day or every other day. Right now I'm right on track. I have a couple other videos that were released this week, and I'm going to keep providing quality content for all of my subscribers. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Stay inside and stay safe.